you know, coming at him.
So what would you say you are? You're Aramean?
Lisa, sorry, excuse me. I shouldn't say, what's the word?
Your worship?
May I elect?
Yeah.
I was just asked whether I'm an Aramean.
Is that how you say?
Arameans, that's...
You do say Aramean?
Yes.
Yeah, but there's a bit more than that. Arima has a very interesting history.
Okay.
So the early settlers who, were very, independent-minded people, they owned lands, they were landowners, they had estates up in the
Like
mountains.
this guy here.
No, not like
He got a estate in mountains.
he come here. He like a, you want to
He
say?
come here.
He come
Yeah, come here. He not been here. He will come here. I got you.
I come here. Me been here.
And
Yeah.
you come here too?
I come here.
Oh, you
yeah.
have been here?
No, I come here.
You come here?
Mhm.
And he come here?
Yeah.
Okay, we know you will come.
No, he's Jari.
Who?
He born here.
He's
He ain't
Jari.
born
Yeah,
here.
but what I mean in terms of the original concept of
His
Yeah.
father and them come
Your
here.
father?
yeah, but
He born
I
in
know what I'm saying in the
No,
context
I
of
got
the
what you
context of the
mean. Yeah.
Right, right.
origin of
Original.
the term.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The pioneers like the mayor, the person who put up this
The picture.
dial, for example. He was
Oh,
the first
okay.
mayor.
Oh.
And he was yeah. Huh?
Wallen wasn't the first mayor.
Sorry?
Wallen wasn't the first
No,
mayor.
was Wallen?
Yeah, Wallen.
Oh, they put the dial up.
Was it really Wallen?
Yeah.
Am I getting the facts right?
But move, keep moving.
1906. Anyway, whatever the case, the early the people who were
First mayor is 1880.
1888. Yeah, but wasn't it? Is Lopez who
Lopez?
donated the Wallen was? Huh? Okay, I have to check my facts again on that. Anyway, it was 1906. 1906. It was
The origin of the term.
But the thing is, the original Burgesses, when
Yeah.
Arimas first made the mayor, they were very special. They were like very much like some of the people in New Orleans, the black population in New
Oh,
Orleans.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So they had that strong sense of group identity.
Gotcha.
And they call them, French was the dominant language.
Okay.
So they call themselves Jarim,
Jari.
Jean d'Arim, people of Arima.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm Jari.
Yeah.
You're Jari.
I'm not Jari.
You're Jari.
I'm not
He's an
Jari.
import.
I'm an import.
Import.
Like Daniel.
What are you?
Father Daniel.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very transatlantic.
Jean de
Heritage.
Right.
Okay.
My great grandmother's grandfather came from America as a free man.
As a married?
Yeah, he wasn't. Yes,
Father married.
he wasn't a slave.
Right.
But instead of going south, he came to Sandy Grande, bought an estate there, and he married a Carib woman.
Okay.
Right, and they just continued throughout the generations. Like there's attraction with the first people.
Okay.
And but his name was actually Papa God. He called himself Papa God.
Oh, wow.
And that's like family legend. Right?
Wow.
That's what he called
But there are
himself.
many people that name
Right?
who have called themselves that name in
Yeah.
Canada as well.
Interesting.
Bon Dio and Papa Dio and
Okay.
yeah, names like that.
It's interesting his name is Papa Gordon because in Panama our driver was named Gordon.
Oh, Gordon, it's Gordon.
No, God.
God, that's what
God.
Yeah,
God.
yeah,
Papa God.
He
Dio.
called himself God and the children
God.
call him Papa
Call him
God.
Papa
And
God.
that's what he wanted them to
And that's
call
what he
him.
wanted.
And that stayed, that's
All
family
the way
legend
through.
all the way down to me
Wow.
and my children.
Did he have a lot of children himself?
I
Yeah,
I
Sean.
don't know. I know it's like
Alright, hold on.
7?
Hi, Ashma. Yeah,
I live for 10 years.
Asa needed to be in a place and see and meet two mayors at one time, one outgoing, one incoming, and them celebrating together. So it's wonderful to be here with the family. It really feels like family here in Arima, in Trinidad. So I'm very happy. This is the second stop on the first day on a chiller, and you done yet it with a crack we teach it, and yet them say I sound just like the people here. So I guess I know if I've been here, come here, or nothing so far, we're gonna find out. All right, but so glad that on a chiller to tune in, and we got more coming up. Oh wow! Oh, that is beautiful, man. Now this is the first. Wow! So I get to nap on the table later.
Well,
Wow! Look at that. That is creative. You did this yourself?
Yeah, well, I got two ladies to help me do it. Just
Oh, okay.
a little while ago.
Nice.
That is something.
That
is
is really
nice.
wonderful. You talk about history in the making. My name spelled out in rice. Now the Sierra Leoneans brought me images of the entire country of Sierra Leone. They did a map
Yeah.
and put it in rice.
Okay.
for me.
Great.
And then other parts where there were other crops that they do, they put those in those
Different
sections of the
Yeah.
country, right? But no one has ever spelled out my own name
good.
in rice. So my grandfather would be very proud of you right now because I live right where he grew rice.
Good.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. So Kwame, you gotta make sure you get a nice, oh, I got one. I was gonna say you gotta get the nice overhead shot of it.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. Nice touch.
Okay.
Yeah. You get lots of kudos for that.
Well, thank you. All you require to do now is to cover this.
Ah,
Yeah,
yes.
so
So this is the big reveal. Let us see what we have here. Oh, wonderful. Oh, outstanding. So those who might not be able to see it too well on camera and you need these things here, all right, watch. It says this plaque was unveiled on the 6th of December 2016 by Queen Marquetta L. Goodwin. That's me right here. Okay, Chiefess and Head of State for the Gullah Geechee Nation to commemorate the launch of the Caribbean Ethnobotanical Research Institute, CEBRI, how you say it, CEBRI? And the inaugural Trinidad and Tobago International Hill Rice Symposium and Festival. This is awesome, this is beautiful, and we're so glad for Daya for the inaugural Hill Rice Symposium, and I want to commend my brother Francis Morian. He has done an outstanding job, a lot of hard work. I know you feel like you're working in a rice field for real to get this done. A lot of hard work, but it's a blessing. And I know it's going to bring more and more. You know, you start with a little seed and you end up with the whole field and feed everybody.
I tell people that all the time.
Yes, okay, so it's a blessing. So this is wonderful to be able to unveil this and to unveil it right here where our brother helps heal the community. And so it is truly an honor to be here with you, to be here in this town, Arima in particular, and with the family here. And
Thank you very much.
to launch this symposium.
Okay, so we will keep you a second longer.
Right.
Oh, one, sorry, we do. We'll keep you just to sign
Just a little.
just to sign the.
Oh, to sign the book,
Yes.
surely.
Sign the book.
Sign the book, yes. Oh, that's the first one?
Yeah, brand new one.
Well, I have my own purple pen, so we will do it the official way. Let me get the pen out here, and then we will start for sure. Lawrence, you're not gonna sell the book on eBay.
I won't.
You want.
I will leave this for my grandchildren.
That's a good thing. Yes. That and some seed rice you'll leave for them, right?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, wonderful. You want me to do left page or right?
Right page.
That's what I was gonna do. Perfect. I'm putting a message here. Not just, my name is not this long. It's long, but it's not this long. So this is the 6th of December, 2016. Hill Rice inaugural. Hill Rice Symposium. Give thanks. It's a blessing.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
And just want to present you with some rice.
Oh, outstanding.
This is the rice from the husk, and
Wonderful.
this is some that's already
That's
done.
already been done.
Okay. You should eat some tomorrow.
This is a
You'll
wonderful
get some
thing.
rice on the menu tomorrow.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Wonderful. I get to bounce.
Yes, you do.
Wow, you're gonna load me down on the plane.
No, you
This is wonderful. And then I also have my book, but I'm going to present it to you at the symposium so that you can teach everybody the comparisons of how you grow the hill rice to how we've been growing rice in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And then I have some of our Carolina Gold to match up with the hill rice so that people will be able to see them together. Yes.
I have some more to bring tomorrow as well.
Wonderful.
Different varieties.
Excellent, excellent. This is wonderful. So how far away from here was this grown?
Way down south. That's Moruga, where we're going to be
Oh,
going
where
there
we going
on
to
Thursday.
Moruga. Wonderful.
Yeah.
So I get to see.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have some in the field now?
Yeah, there's young plants, some bearing, you see various
And
stages.
everything.
Yeah.
Okay. This is wonderful. And I just recently worked on a TV show. And I taught them how to operate in the rice field on the TV show. So I'm looking forward to that coming up. Yeah. Wonderful. Now it's time for go down upon some rice tonight and to get one of these expensive roti. I don't hear them out. But we ain't gonna pay no $3.75 each. Okay.